What's up? It's your boy Chris at it again with another video. Today we got something big. Slightly, it's not that crazy. But currently working on replacing my starter. So the reason I'm replacing it is because every time I go on like long trips or even just a short trip that's like maybe 10 miles away, my car doesn't want to start after. It'll start on the cold, it'll start on the cold start, it'll start overnight. But if I'm driving somewhere, park it, go in the store or something, and then jump in to start my car is like, psych, nah, not today, which is annoying. So we're replacing it, and I just found out why it's not starting. So I got the car jacked up already. I'm about to go underneath and then show you guys what's up. I need a light so you guys can see me too. Give me a second. So initially, my plan was to take my starter out. Well, I bought a new one already. I was gonna take my starter out, take it over to O'Reilly's or AutoZone, go get it tested, and then see why it's not starting. Because I know for sure my starter's it's not bad, but it definitely is bad. So I'll show you why. I went to go take off one of the plugs, and dang, you can't even see it. Oh shoot, a piece broke off. So if you see that piece that's kind of bronzish, that's what broke. So I don't know how or why, but that thing just busted as soon as I tried to loosen it. The downfall is it's gonna be kind of hard to, actually no, it's not gonna be that hard. So this broke off. And this is the power source to jump start the starter. So I'm gonna take it out. It's pretty easy. There's two 14 volts right here. You can see that. Yeah, right, one right there, other one's on top. Pretty easy. Bust those off, pull it out, and yeah. So that took about 3 minutes to take out, super easy. And I'll give you guys a closer look of why this thing is like so broken. So right here, dang, freaking lighting sucks. You can see from the new one, how this is here to this one, busted off, yo. Dang, this thing is so cracked. Wow, that is insane. That's like done for. But wow, okay. Good to know. Glad I got a new one instead of like going back and forth to the parts store. So super easy. You just take this off. Don't need that. And this is what we're bolting up to for the for it to get power. Cool. So get this bad boy in. So I'm about to go ahead and put the new one in. Super easy. Should be able to get it with one hand like I am. It's a little heavy, not really. Let that bad boy in. Big boy getting in there. I think it's in. Oh, it is. Okay, so I got to do the next one with two hands because I can't get a bolt in there. So new one's in, super easy, not too hard. Right in there, as you can see. So the issue was this guy broke off. Yeah, this is just bad. Things cracked. So So I guess when you start it, this pin pushes in or whatever. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's a weird mechanism. But just happy I got a new one in. That's all. So other than that, that's all I have for today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are having a good day overall. Fun stuff coming soon. Just waiting on time, being patient. But in the meantime, you guys have a good day. When I get another video, I'll get another video. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. Have a good one. Almost forgot. Start test. Let's go. Whoa, faster start too, no lag. Woo. Okay, that's all. You know what? I'm actually gonna go wash my car right now since everything's like put out there. Hopefully my audio is not connected to the. No, we're good. So gonna go ahead and wash my car. The car is kind of dirty. Everything's out here.